Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping based on cart attribute in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the cart attribute condition. So first, we'll search for cart attribute in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 Combination to continue. First, choose whether you want to check only the attribute key or both the key and value. If you select Contains Key, it will only check whether the attribute key exists in the cart. If you select Contains Key and Value, it will check both the attribute key and its specific value. For this video, we will choose Contains Key and Value and select If Found. Then enter the key test in the key field. In the value field, we will enter hide as the attribute value. If needed, you can also add one or multiple values in the value field. Press enter after each value to add multiple values. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden if the cart contains test key and hide attribute value. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's add a product with the attribute test key and the hide attribute value. Here, test is the key, and in the field we enter the attribute value hide. Now let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is now hidden because the cart contains test key and hide attribute value. That's it. This is how to hide shipping based on cart attribute. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!